Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Daniel Paris, UtahLowRate.com. Wanted to go over a new loan product today that I think everybody's going to be excited about. It's 1099 reduced doc home mortgage loan. So what does that mean? So if you're a borrower that receives a 1099 or is recently converted from a W-2 to a 1099 employee and have the 1099 form that you receive at the end of the year for your pay, we can use that, as long as it's in the same line of work, we can use that to qualify you. So we no longer need to get tax returns to see what you're writing off. Basically what we'll do is we're going to take that 1099 form and we're going to deduct 10% for expenses. So we're able to qualify you off that 90% of whatever's on that 1099 income, which is usually quite a bit more than what you're actually going to show on a tax return. So that's awesome. This is kind of a new product that we've just rolled out. This is a non-QM product, and we can do anybody with credit scores anywhere from a 620 all the way up to an 800 credit score. Loan limits are going to be from $125,000 up to $3 million, and loan to values are going to range depending on what your credit score is, what your loan limit needs to be, depending on those parameters right there. So we go anywhere from 10% down all the way to 35% down, just depending on your whole scenario and what the deal looks like. This is available for owner-occupied properties. We can do condos, single-family residences. We have to make sure that the condos are warrantable condos, so Fannie Mae warrantable condos. We can also do leaseholds. We can do modular homes. And as long as the modular homes are stick built or similar to stick built. So if they're built in a factory and they have 5 or 6 pieces and they're put together on site and it's on a fixed foundation, then we can loan on those as well. We do rural properties with 10 acres, but no farming, no income producing properties. So those are the basic parameters of what we can do. Now this product does require reserves. So with the reserve requirements, they're going to want to see 3 months reserves if you go up to $1 million on the loan amount. They're going to require 6 months reserves if you go from $1 million to just under $1.5 million. And then if you break that $1.5 million loan amount up to just under that $2 million loan amount, they're going to want to see 9 months reserves on that. So anything above $2 million up to $3 million, which is the max loan amount, they're going to want to see 12 months reserves. Now you can get a gift for down payment and closing costs in this as long as you have 5% of your own down payment funds. So just keep that in mind. But we will not ask for IRS transcripts. We will not ask for paycheck stubs. The only thing they're going to ask for is they're going to want to see 2 years worth of 1099 forms or 1099 income. And if you converted from a W-2 to a 1099 employee, then they're going to want to see that proof of that W-2 for that first year and then that 1099 for that second year. But keep in mind, we're going to qualify you off your most recent 1099 income form that you provide to us. Outside of that, we do offer interest-only options on this. So those are going to max out on the interest-only options at $2 million. So the max loan amount you can go where we can do an interest-only loan is going to be $2 million. You can do either a 30-year or a 40-year interest-only loan. Here's the other kicker to this. This is something I was surprised about. You can qualify on that interest-only payment, whether it's the 40 or the 30-year, and that's all you have to qualify on, plus taxes and insurance, obviously. But you're not having to do like what you've seen in the past where you have to qualify with principal and interest, full payment, full amortization. So this makes it nice and it helps you to qualify for a little bit more when you're only using that interest-only payment, because that's going to lower that payment like $600 or $700 depending on what loan amount or what purchase price you go to. Feel free to call me, text me, email me. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Number's 801-604-4949. I'm available 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. Feel free to call me anytime. Make sure you leave some comments below. Let me know what you thought of the video and if it helped you or answered any of your questions. Like I said, Daniel Paris, UtahLowRate.com. Hope to see you on our next video. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you soon.